So very good morning guys. Today we're talking about one of the very important concept, law of conservation of energy. So law of conservation of energy. It is simply called as LCE. It is simply called as LCE. So generally everybody telling energy neither created nor destroyed but will be transformed from one form to another form. So everybody telling this definition. So everybody, generally when you are talking about law of conservation of energy, simply they are telling what here, energy is neither created nor destroyed but will be transformed from one form to another form. Such a way that everybody is telling right now. So today we will discuss what exactly it means. We are talking about the meaning of that. So before that, what is the law of conservation of energy? Energy neither created nor destroyed but will be transformed from one form to another form. Let's take an example, guys. I will take one example so that I will do how will be transformation is having from one energy to another energy. Let's take an example. Suppose so a freely falling body I am taking right now, a freely falling body. So one ball is here. So a freely falling body, one ball is here. So generally when freely falling body is fall down, so generally what is the state of this one? So it is having a height, let us say 4 meters height. Assume this is a 4 meters height from the ground. And this point is, let us say A the point, I have another point B, I have another point C. So I have 3 points. Let us say A, B, C are the points here. So let's say in the point A, so point A, I will measure the energies. So I will measure the generally energy is potential energy and kinetic energy. So what is the velocity guys here? Velocity becomes zero now. So velocity v is equal to 0 meter per second here, no doubt. So now apply the formula. Let us say the ball mass is that. Let us say the ball mass is that 2 kg mass. See guys here, this is the ball here. So this is the ball I am placing here. So this is the ball I am placing here. So I am freely falling here. I am freely falling this body. So let's see what will happen. I am freely falling. So let's see what will happen. So let's see what will happen guys. PE is equal to what is the formula? mgh. So let us see what is mn. I am taking 2 is the m value here. 2 into what is G? G is generally taking 10 and mgh. What is the h value guys? 4 meters. So what is the 2 into 10 20? 80 joules will get. So what is the energy guys? 80 joules will get. Same thing I am applying Ke. What is the Ke formula? Half mv square. So half into m. What is the m value guys? 2 is the m value and v square is equal to 0 square. Half mv square. So half mv square means 0 square means 0 only. So what will get? 0 joules. So what is total energy? Total energy is equal to Pe plus Ke. So what is Pe plus Ke? 80 joules plus 0. So what will get here? 80 joules. So generally in the first case, how much energy will get? In the first case, how much energy will get is that, so this ball get a amount of, this ball will get a amount of energy of how much? 8 joules of energy will get by when you have to live, when you have to freely fall from a height of 4 meters. A height of 4 meters will freely fall. So how much energy will got by this ball guys? 80 joules of energy will be got. 80 joules of energy will be got. So 80 joules of energy will be got by this ball. Next, let's see on the B. On the B case, let's say on the B case, let us say B is equal to, I want to find out KE as well as PE. So what will happen guys on B? Let us say a midpoint of that. So what is the distance from here to here guys? 2 meters. From here to here also 2 meters. Now I want to find out potential energy for this ball. Once again I want to find out potential energy this ball. So P is equal to, once again what I have to do? mgh. So m is equal to what guys? 2. G is equal to 10. But h is reduced to half. So this h reduced to half. So what will get guys here? 2 meters. So what will get? 40 joules will get. So now I want to find out V value here. So I don't know the V value. I want to find out the V value. For that what I have to do? V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. So V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. What is the freely falling body? So V square minus U square is equal to 2GH. But V is 0. 0 square is equal to 2GH. So what is the value you have to get? V square is equal to 2GH. So V is equal to root of 2GH. So what is the value guys here? 2 into 10 into h means how much nana? 2. So what you have to got? Root 40. So root 40 meter per second is the velocity of this ball guys. Velocity of this ball. Velocity of this ball at the point B. So point B velocity. Point B velocity is that how much you have to got guys here? So root of 40 meter per second. So 40 meter, root of 40 meter per second velocity of this ball at point B. So it is coming like this guys. It is coming and it is located exactly on this point B. So what is the velocity? Root 40 meter per second. So now what do you have to got? Root 40 per meter per second. So I am applying the formula of KE. K is equal to half into M value guys. What is the M value? So M value is equal to 2 V square half M V square. So root 40 whole square. So root 40 whole square means what I have to get? So 2 to cancel. So what I have to get guys? Root 2 square root cancel. So what I have to get? 40 joules of energy for this ball at point B of KE. So I want total energy. So once again total energy. So total energy of this ball. Once again total energy of this ball. T is equal to P plus KE. P plus KE. What is P guys? 40 joules. What is KE guys? 40 joules. What is you get? 80 joules. So what is the observations? Let's see guys here. The point at A, what is the energy you have to gain? Total energy is equal to 80 joules. So this ball having energy of 80 joules actually. This ball having energy of 80 joules. So it is dropped like this. Finally reached a point of B of 2 meters height. What is the velocity? Root 40 meter per second. Even though in this time also, what is the potential energy? The potential energy value become half. And what is the kinetic energy? It become half. So what it means? The ball attain energy of potential energy will be converted into what? Kinetic energy. So kinetic energy how much will be converted? 40 joules of energy is converted. What is the potential energy guys? 40 joules of energy. So I hope people are understood. So this is 40 joules of energy. This is another one is the 40 joules of energy. Both energies are 40 joules of energy you will get here. So comes down here guys, comes down. So I am traveling down. I am at B now. So now the ball is goes to C. Let's see what will happen at C point. So at C point what will happen? So till now I had to get what guys here? 80 joules of energy. Here also how much here? 80 joules of energy. So let's see what will happen in this case. So let's see guys here. So at C, point, what is my status of energy? So at C is equal to, let's check guys here, P is equal to mgh. So what is the m value here guys? What is the m value? M value is 2, g value is 10. But what is the height of the object? So height of the object. Let's see guys here the height of the object. So ball is downfall, finally reached to the position of C here. So the ball is now there and C. What is the height from the ground? It is 0. So what you get? 0 joules of energy you get. So let's see guys here on KE. On KE, K is equal to half mv square. So what is the formula for V? Once again, what is the formula for V guys? Here initial velocity is 0. So initial velocity is 0. I want to find out the V and V I want to calculate. So what is the formula guys here? What is the formula? So once again same formula. V square minus U square is equal to 2GH. V square minus U square is equal to 2GH. So according to that, half into M. M means what 2 guys? So what is the formula? Root of 2GH whole square. So half into M. M means what 2? Square root to cancel. 2 into G means 10. What is the height? 40. So what I have to get? 2 to cancel. What I have 2 into 10? 2 into 10, no, 20. 24 are how much? 80 joules. So 80 joules will get. So what is the meaning of it? So the ball now is fallen on from A to B, finally reached to the C. So this ball fallen from A to B and B to C. So finally, what is the value of this one? Finally, total energy T is equal to, what is the total energy guys here? 0 plus 80 joules. So what I have to get? 80 joules I have to get. So what it means? 80 joules of energy. So clearly understood. So in this case, the ball in this case, when you have a ball here, in this case, what is the potential energy guys here? P is equal to 80 joules. And what is the Ke? Ke is equal to 0 joules. So what which is having the energy here? Potential energy having this ball. Same thing from comes to here. So ball is goes from A to B. Now ball is goes from A to B. What are the P value? So P value is equal to 40 joules and Ke value is equal to how much guys? 40 joules. Which means energy will be transformed from one form to another form. So I never created potential energy. I never created potential energy. But potential energy will be transformed from what to what guys? Potential energy will be transformed from this 40 joules to 40 joules. That means the potential energy will be transformed to what half of that? Kinetic energy. That is the law of conservation of energy. Everybody will struggling. Law of conservation of energy. What is meant by what is meant by? Which is there on the air. Everybody talk in English words. So this is the perfect meaning of law of conservation of energy. Now comes to here guys. What is 80 joules? This is 80 joules. So what is potential energy guys here? Potential energy become 0 and kinetic energy how much guys become 80 joules. Which means what will happen here? So when ball is coming like this to B, finally reach to the C. So P is equal to 0, K is equal to 80 joules. So potential energy of this ball will be carried to whom? Kinetic energy. The transformation is happened. The transformation is called as what? Law of conservation of energy. Thank you guys.